everybody out there? Coach Dan Long with Get Lean in 12. Are you ready to exercise with me today? I have a simple workout that only takes 12 minutes that is designed specifically for people like myself that are over the age of 35, especially if you're over 40, 50, or 60, you should be moving differently. And that's specifically why I'm gonna bring you these exercises that will show you how you can help burn the belly fat and get the body that you desire. Now, if you are looking for that, these are the exercises that you should be doing, and the protocols are exact to help people that have the hormonal shift that always happens over the age of 35, especially over 40. These movements will help you, and they're specifically designed to help the hormonal shift so that you can burn more belly fat. All right, you excited? I'm excited. Today, we are going to be working core. We're going to be working abs, which is in the core. And remember, from here all the way to here, right, the bottom of your glutes, is all core muscles. So you are triggering hundreds of muscles all at one time, and I'm going to show you modifications from beginner to intermediate and advanced to help you shed that unwanted belly fat and get the body that you desire. Okay, let's stop talking. Let's get into it right now. So, and by the way, you're gonna see a link up here. Don't click that link just yet, okay? I wanna do these exercises with you. I want you to pay attention to the details, but at the end, I have more protocols and I have more exercises in a program that you are gonna love, but don't click that link just yet, okay? All right, by the way, say hi to me, right, down in the comments below. Tell me who you are. Hit a like, hit a heart while we're doing this. I love to meet all the people from all over the world like yourself. Okay, here we go. I have 8-pound dumbbells sitting here on the side. First, I'm gonna show you beginner, which is gonna be without the dumbbells, and then we're gonna add the dumbbells and intensity to show you beginner, intermediate, into advanced, okay? So, I have 3 exercises for you today. First, you're gonna place your hand on the ground just like so. Put your other hand behind your shoulder, right? Lean back, put your knees together with your feet. Now, this is gonna work the obliques. You want sexy V-line obliques. This is going to help. Okay, so again, hand on the ground, back here, lift, and then back. Lift, and then back. Bring the knees into the chest, and then back. Now, you can do this for 20 to 30 seconds on, 20 to 30 seconds off, or you can do 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, and trust me, you're going to feel it, okay? Keep pumping this thing now, keep pushing, all right? Bring those knees in, bring them back out. Bring those knees in, ooh, those obliques are on fire. Now, switch sides, same exact thing. Now, I'm gonna turn away so you can see, hand by the shoulder, behind the shoulder, the other hand, right, even with the shoulder, bring the knees up, and then in, and bring it up and in. Now, breathe in the nose and exhale on the hard part of the exercise, exertion, right? So the hard part is here. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. And one more time, and rest. Okay, so now, you're gonna wanna do that for 3 rounds. Now, you notice, that is already pushing it to have the exercise with just body weight. Imagine adding a dumbbell, okay? Now, I'm already getting out of breath, all right? Now, with one hand, it's a lot harder. So, again, in this position, then I put a dumbbell on my knee, and I bring it in. Lot of core strength here, lot of core strength, okay? If this is too hard for you, progress, and just use the body weight to start, okay? Just like so. Then, opposite side, same exact thing. Up here, support here, right? Bring these in. Ooh, you're gonna feel it all right here, on fire. Absolutely on fire. And I'm already starting to sweat. All right, 2 more. Let's go, keep pushing. 1 more. And rest. Okay, so that is gonna be intermediate into going into advanced. Now, with advanced, this is something that's not easy to do also, but I want you to try, okay? Your goals, there's no way you're gonna ever get anywhere without setting goals to crush the goals, okay? So, we're gonna do 1 more round. So that is 2 rounds. Let's do the 3rd round. Now, same thing, just like so. Hand down on the ground, bring it in, raise it up. 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 Now, what are you working? You're working shoulders, right? Working all this, look at the sweat already starting to come on my thighs, all the way down to my calves already. And raise it up. In, raise it up. In, raise it up. Right now, opposite side, same thing. Woo! Man, on fire. And in, raise it up. And in, and raise it up. Hard to talk while you're doing this, but I'm doing it. All right, this is advanced. Okay? In, rest. Wow. Wow. You want a lean, sexy, toned stomach. These exercises are not going to only shed the fat, they're going to tone and they're going to cut and chisel the areas that you want. So when you put your bathing suit on or you're standing naked in the mirror, you're feeling amazing because that's what I want. I want you feeling amazing. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Here we go. Down. And arms out by the side, no weights here, right? All body weight. Okay, you're on the ground, scapula, which is the top part of your back, is on the ground. Then you're gonna bring your knees in, reach for the toes. Out. Out. You know what I told you about breathing? Okay, breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Just like so. So you're making right, across, in, touch the toes, and then back out. Notice my feet are never touching the ground. Okay, now let's rest. How you doing out there? Are you pushing hard? I hope you are with me. Save this workout, by the way. If you can't do the workout right now, save the workout, go back, replay it as many times as you want because these exercises are awesome. Okay, now grab your dumbbells. Again, intensity can be 8 pound, 4 pound, 12 pound, whatever you want. Bring out your arms now. I got these. Out, in, and reach with the dumbbells. And then back out. Nice. Just like so, right? Now, you can speed it up. And just like that, you can make it from intermediate to advanced. Okay, let's take a break one more time. We got one more round to go. Remember, we're doing 3 rounds, okay? I'm doing approximately 20 seconds and about 20 seconds off. You can do 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Again, challenge yourself, and trust me, you're gonna feel this. Okay, now let's go again. Here we go. Point the toes, by the way. Point your toes, just like so. All right, in. Now advance. In rest. Wow. Okay, now, can you see the sweat? All right, I'm sweating, trust me. All right, look, I'm gonna show you, because I wanna show you this. Can you see all this? I am sweating my butt off already. That's how fast these exercises will get you into fat burning mode. It's all about fat burning mode. Okay, that's exercise number 2. We did 3 rounds on that. Last exercise, 1 dumbbell. Okay, actually let's do it first without the dumbbell. So let's do beginner. Here we go. Hands out by the side just like so. Bring them up. Watch this. Up, bring the knee. 1 knee in, touch the toe. Right? Just like a mountain climber reverse. Right? In supine position, facing up. Arms back. Again, move down. Arms back. Working everything from here all the way up to here. Can feel it burning, and you're getting cardio during this entire time. And I'm talking. Okay, now rest. Now, how are we going to make it intermediate? We're going to add a dumbbell. Catch your breath with me. Remember, get your breathing under control. In your nose, out your mouth. In your nose, out your mouth. And listen, stay tuned because I got something for you at the end of this video that you're going to want to see. All right, here we go. Dumbbell behind the head. Now we're working back muscles and shoulders. Bring it up, touch the toe. Up and back, touch the toe. Nice job. This is round 2. We only got 1 more round after this. Keep pushing it home. Come on, keep pushing. Show me what you got. Hit that like. Hit that heart if you can out there, and let me know that you're loving these exercises because this is a specific protocol for people like you that are over the age of 40 to burn more fat every single day and rest. Nice job. Wow, now I'm really sweating. Okay, man, I wish you could see this. I mean, I have sweat rolling all the way down my calves. I have sweat everywhere right now. What does that mean? It means that my body is in a fat burning environment. It's because I'm working so many muscles at one time, right? It's starting to burn massive amounts of calories because the exertion is taking that calorie expenditure and burning it, right? It's burning that pizza, it's burning that soda, it's burning that candy bar, it's burning those things that we all love so much of. Okay, advanced, here we go. Here we go, arms behind, right? Bring it up, touch, back out, one more. Two, each side. Here we go. Intensity, pick it up, out, and in, just like so. Remember, you can adjust your dumbbell size. You can do higher reps or lower reps for intensity, and this would be advanced. Come on, keep pushing it home, almost done. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All right, I hope you enjoyed that workout as much as I enjoyed that workout. Wow. See, in just 12 minutes of time, it's all it takes for you to get the body that you desire. I want you to have the body that you desire. I'm 44 years old and I feel like I'm 25 because I use specific protocols that are movements that are specifically designed, right, for people like yourself that are over the age of 35. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, I have specific protocols that's at this link right up above. You're gonna see a blue link or it might be on the side. You can now click that link. Don't forget, make sure you say hi to me. Tell me who you are down below. Tell me where you're from. I'd love to meet everyone from around the world. And now is your turn. If you click this link, you're gonna go to a system called the Over 40 Abs Solution that will help you. Like it's helped me and it's helped my wife, it's over 40, had 3 children, get the body that you desire. But the only way that will happen is if you click this link now and go to that page and see exactly what I'm talking about. And you're also gonna see my amazing friend, Sean Hatzel. He's already 46 years old and his wife is 57 years old, Karen. You're gonna see her also on there, and my wife and I, Nicole and myself, and you're gonna be blown away because this system has blown doctors away on what it's been able to do to help the hormonal shift of people just like yourself. All right, I wanna thank everyone from all over the world watching on today's video, and this is Daniel Long with Get Lean at 12, and don't forget, if you're not out of your comfort zone, then you're staying the same. Take care.